Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can find the Android Auto and how we can start configuring it on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The first thing that we need to do is open the settings. In the settings, go to connected devices and then scroll down to find Android Auto. And now you can tap on this option in order to find settings over here. So you can scroll down to configure Android Auto, and then if you want to connect a car, then you have this button over here. So if you press it, then all you need to do is simply follow the instructions. Over here we have to get started, plug your phone into this vehicle's Android Auto compatible USB port. You can also try to connect Android Auto wirelessly by pressing this option over here. However, this option is available on some 2021 or newer cars. But if it's possible, then of course you can also go for this option and then you have connect using Bluetooth. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.